Yeah, hi. I'm going to show you how to play the B diminished chord on your piano or keyboard. I'm going to show you both the 3-note chord B diminished and also the 4-note chord B diminished 7th. Okay, let's start by locating our root note, the B. The next note you'll need is the note D. Third note you'll need is the note F, like this. So this is the 3-note chord B diminished. If you want to make it a B diminished 7th, you have to add one more note, in this case the A flat or G sharp. So this is the 4-note chord B diminished 7th. Now because the B diminished 7th is in fact a 4-note chord, you can also have what's known as 4 inversions of the chord. This inversion is called the root inversion or root note inversion because you have the root note at the bottom. To make an inversion, simply move the bottom note of the chord, the B, all the way to the top. Move your hand. So this is the first inversion of the chord. To make the next inversion, again move the bottom note of the chord to the top. Move your hand. This is the second inversion of the chord. Let's do one more. Move the bottom note of the chord all the way to the top. Move your hand. This is the third inversion of the chord. Now you'll notice if we make one more inversion, again moving the bottom note to the top, we will in fact be back at the root inversion of the chord, only one octave higher than from where we started. Okay? And of course you can go the other way, downwards on the piano, starting with the root inversion. Now move the top note to the bottom, move your hand. This is the third inversion of the chord. And again, move the top note to the bottom, move your hand. The second inversion of the chord. One more, top note to the bottom, move your hand. First inversion. And now finally, top note to the bottom. And we're back at the root inversion of the chord, the B diminished 7th. Okay? Like that. Now, if you only want the 3-note chord, the B diminished, then leave out this note that makes it the 7th. So only use these 3 notes to make your inversions. So this would be B diminished root inversion, right? Again, move the bottom note of the chord to the top, like this, and move your hand. So this is B diminished first inversion. To make one more, again move the bottom note to the top. Move your hand. This is B diminished second inversion. And because we only have 3 notes this time, moving this one to the top. Again, you'll be back at the root inversion of the chord, right? And the other way, root inversion. Move the top note to the bottom, move your hand. Second inversion, move the top note to the bottom. First inversion, and the last one, top note to the bottom, root inversion. Okay, so that's it, there you have it. The B diminished chord, 3-note chord. To make the B diminished 7th, add this note, the B diminished 7th chord. Okay, so guys, please like this video if you liked this lesson. I'm sure you did, right? And subscribe to this channel to get more free videos from me. Okay, please do it now, help me out. I'll see you around.
So, I hope you enjoyed this free piano lesson. Do you want more free piano chord stuff? How about a free piano chord chart? Or a free chord inversion crash course? Or a free chord symbols chart? Simply go to pianochordscharts.net and download your free stuff. Click the link below and I'll see you over there. Please like this video to keep our videos free for future visitors. Thank you.